This is my new shop fan that HeinPro sent me to test out, and we are super excited because this thing is quality. So it takes my 20-volt batteries right here, and you can slide them in right here. And it also came with a cable. I haven't even looked at where you plug the cable in yet because, yeah, right there. So if you want to plug it straight in, because this is what I plan on doing it with. We're going beach camping next month, and I thought this would be perfect for right outside the camper. Super easy to slide in. You'll hear it click, just like that. And then it has a few different settings on it. So we got one, and it goes higher and higher. It's not super loud until you get higher. That's the highest setting right there. You can feel it. Let's see. Here's a shop rag. There she is. This is a great fan. I'm super excited. And we will also have a fan when the power goes out because we all sleep with fans. So being able to have something like this, and you can also hang it up right here. This is really good quality. It feels really durable. And you can also change the angle of the fan. This is definitely amazing. We're also going on a family reunion this summer, and we rented a little cabin, so we'll be able to have this for inside and outside. Definitely recommend to get your DeWALT batteries off. You just push it down just like any other DeWALT tool. Easy, super easy. We have a million of these things for all the different tools that we use, so it just made it easy to be able to utilize this fan. And if your battery dies, replace it with a new one. So love this, really great quality. Definitely impressed.